Hi everyone, Sal Khan here from Khan Academy, which you probably know is a not-for-profit with a mission of providing a free world-class education for anyone, anywhere. And not-for-profit means no one owns Khan Academy. We are a public charity. You own as much of Khan Academy as I do. It's there for the public good. And the way that we're able to provide this service, the videos, the software, the exercises for free to tens of millions of learners around the world is because of philanthropic donations from generous folks like yourself. So if you're in a position to do so, please think about making a donation to Khan Academy. As you probably know, in 2020, the world leaned more heavily on Khan Academy than ever before to keep the learning going during the pandemic. We had 12 billion learning minutes on the platform last year, 6 billion students coming on their own, 6 billion is hundreds of thousands of teachers getting their students to do it as part of the distance learning classroom experience during the pandemic. And as now we get hopefully to the light at the end of the tunnel on the pandemic, and hopefully over the next couple of months, things are able to normalize, it's even more important that we don't let up. Because when all of the stuff has been thrown up into the air, we need to make sure that as it falls, things don't break. Students have accrued gaps in their learning. Teachers need more support. Families need more support. And also, there's a unique window of time right now over the next 6 to 12 months, where as things come back to earth, not only should they not break, but there's an opportunity to make sure that the post-pandemic world could even be better than the pre-pandemic world. A world where every student is able to fill in their gaps, learn at their own time and space, and really reach whatever that potential is. That every teacher has the tools to personalize for their students and feels optimally informed and optimally empowered. And every parent feels like there are resources, regardless of your zip code, regardless of your income, where your children can reach their potential. So I hope you can consider making a donation. In particular, we're hoping to get at least 12,000 new donors of any level. Any donation makes a huge difference to become part of this mission to provide a free world-class education for anyone, anywhere.